In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a book on Google Slides. We'll take it step by step, ensuring you feel confident throughout the process. First, open your preferred web browser and search for Google Slides. This will lead you to the Google Slides homepage where you can begin creating your digital book. It's important to use a reliable browser to avoid any potential hiccups. Once you see the search results, click the correct link to access Google Slides. If you're prompted to log in, go ahead and do so with your Google account. Logging in is crucial as it ensures all your work is saved under your account, and you can access it from anywhere later on. Now, with Google Slides open, you're ready to start a new project. Open a blank presentation in Google Slides. This gives you a fresh canvas to work with, just like opening a new page in a notebook. Next up, look for the drop-down menu in the toolbar. It usually defaults to widescreen 16:9. Click this menu and select Custom. This step is vital because it allows you to choose the size and orientation of your book, which will influence its overall look and feel. Enter your desired book dimensions in the custom size fields. For a standard portrait book or printout, type in 8.5 by 11 inches. This is a common size for many printed books and documents. For a landscape children's book, enter 11 by 8.5 inches. These dimensions give a wide format, perfect for illustrations and engaging visuals. Once you've set the dimensions, click Apply. With that ready, your slides will instantly transform into the shape of book pages. This visual change helps you better imagine how your final product will appear. After that, go to the top menu and select Slide, then Edit Theme, which you might remember as Master View. This section is where you design the backbone of your book, creating templates that will keep your pages consistent and professional. Here, you can design your standard book page layouts. Think about including a template for chapter titles, a layout for standard text columns, or a designated space for page numbers. Crafting these templates now saves you time and effort later, ensuring uniformity throughout your book. When you're satisfied with your templates, click the X in the top right corner of the theme editor to close it. Now, when you add a new slide, you'll have the option to select these pre-formatted page structures, making your book building process much smoother. Next, navigate to Insert and then Slide Numbers. This feature automatically numbers your pages, maintaining the order and helping readers navigate through your book. Finally, once your book is complete and you're happy with how it looks, click File, then Download. From the options available, select PDF document. This format is widely used and ensures your book can be easily shared and printed while preserving all your hard work. And there you have it. You've successfully created a book on Google Slides, ready to share with the world. I hope you found these steps clear and helpful. Remember, practice makes perfect. Feel free to revisit this guide whenever you need a refresher. Thank you for watching and happy bookmaking.